Hey guys, welcome to Pep Coding. Today we are going to learn another question of graph, and this is level up question. So pay attention, number of enclaves. So basically in this question we would be given a 2D matrix of m cross n, and what we need to do is it is a binary matrix of 0 and 1. So all the zeros here are water and all the 1 are land. So in the land cells I need to return the count of land cells from which I cannot go to the boundary of the matrix. Okay, let's discuss this here. Suppose I have a matrix 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. So here are so many land cells. So, but come, let's see here. When I come to here, uh, what say this is a boundary cell, this is boundary cell, this is boundary cell, this is boundary cell, and this is boundary cell. So obviously these can't be my answers. Let me use another shade. What about this can go here, so this can't be my potential answer. This can go to this cell and then finally to my boundary. This can't be my answer. When I come here, I can go here, so this can't be an answer, it is already a boundary cell. I can go directly here to the boundary, can't be my answer. Okay, so what about these cells? This particular island is not connected to any other island and is in middle of water, and I cannot go to the boundary. Okay, so this is my answer. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 land cells. So my answer here would be 4 in this case. So let me show you that how we are going to discuss. Let me show you the approach. First of all, you can try yourself. Pause the video and try it. Okay, so let me show you the approach. I know guaranteed that all the cells which are here at the boundary are surely not my answer. I can discard them or make them 0. It hardly matters to me. So if I traverse the boundary, in the whole boundary if I travel and find the 1, and then I perform a DFS, I go to each and every cell to the depth and make it 0. So this would be 0, this would be 0, this would be 0, here also 0. I traverse here 0, traverse here 0. Finally here I traverse, this would be 0, 0, traversing 0. So I would be left with only these cells which are 1. Now if I traverse in the matrix again and count the number of 1 that are left, then I will get my answer. I hope I am quite clear here. So let's quickly code this. You can pause the video and code it yourself or see my code. Okay. So let's see the code. Okay, so we are here. Yeah. First of all, let's create a variable result. Okay, so result is initially equal to 0. Now let's traverse in the boundary. Array.length I plus plus. Now for int j equals 0, j less than array I dot length j plus plus. Okay, so if my I is equal to 0, this is condition for the boundary. J is equal to 0, this is also boundary condition. I less than array dot, sorry, I equal to array dot length minus 1 last index, my last row, and j also equal to array dot length I minus 1. This works for me. If this is true, I'll put my faith and call a function DFS, pass my array and my current position I j. I believe that there is a function DFS which will which will do a depth first search and remove all the non-possible answers. Finally, I'll traverse again. I traverse my matrix again, and if my array of ij is equal to 1, that is a potential answer, then my result must be incremented. So result is incremented and it's finally returned. Sorry, return result. Okay. I hope everything is fine. Okay. Now just make one function called DFS. So public static void DFS int array int I int j. So if my current cell is in the index, okay, if it's in the range, if it's in the matrix, so what is the condition? I is greater than equal to 0, j is greater than equal to 0, I is less than array dot length, j is also less than array I dot length. All these conditions must be true. If it's in the range, then array of ij must be equal to 1. If all of this is true, then I'll put my array ij equals 0, convert it into water, and then call DFS, pass my array ij, call it 4 times, I plus 1 minus 1, j plus 1, j minus 1. We all know how to input DFS calls. Looks fine to me. Okay, some error in line 33 for int j equals 0. Let's see. 0, 0, j. What's the error? Array required but int found. Okay, sorry. Here, array I. So it is accepted. Let's submit it. So it is submitted. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope the question was clear. Please like, share, and subscribe to Petco.